Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab and open the console incognito window. Now from here, just copy the application URL and just add a new tab and open it like this. Now come to the application page over here and open it. Also open the second one also. Okay. So now we have to just create all of them. Okay. So for that, just come over here and just type VPC and just click on the VPC network. Now from here, just click on create VPC network. Now for the name, just copy the name. And from here, just delete it and just click on create. While it is being created, do like the video and let's come over here, create a new also. Now here, just copy the name. Now here we have to add a subnet. Just add the subnet name over here and the region will be US Central 1. Whatever region is mentioned over here, you have to select it. And in the CIDR block, you have to mention it. Now simply click on done and just come down and create it. Now wait for it to get created. Now once you see all these are added over here, come to the lab instruction and try to check the score. And if you want this yellow check my progress bar, you can check the video description how to enable check my progress bar. Now just let me just reload. So you can clearly see we are done with the lab. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel.